New arrival here at MGM. This is a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Original black color. Original 5.0 305 engine with power steering, power disc, and air conditioning. Nice black paint throughout the car. It does have a little bit over 100,000 miles. This is a certified buyback Carfax 2-owner vehicle, so it is certified. Nice paint on the car. Factory wheels, stock interior, which I'll go over with you guys. A real nice shine to the paint. Nice clear lenses. The bumper is all good. Trunk is solid. There's your RPO tag. I took a picture of it, and you guys can check that out on our website at mgmclassiccars.com. Dual exhaust. Passenger side is going to be just as nice. Let's fire it up. So if you need financing, it's not a problem. You will need about $2,500 down and good credit. Credit score to be anywhere between 625 to about 775. And we can get you hopefully approved. All loans are based off your credit profile. For those of you who have a 780 and higher score, possibly a no money down option loan is available here at MGM Classic Cars. And if you need delivery, please call or text me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.